Numele s-a spus deja de 2 sau 3 ori.
Alexandru, I work in Oracle's product development team. I have 14 years of experience, 6 with Oracle, and now I'm involved with the team that builds my Oracle support, which is a big application, multi-tiered, lots of integrations, clustered, that is at the core of Oracle's support services. Okay, I'm Serban. They already introduced me, so I'm going to brief. Enterprise web developer, worked with enterprise web applications for about 10 years. 6 of them at Oracle. We work together in the same team. We're going to talk about a product that we use that helps us a lot in building these big applications that we have. It's called Oracle Coherence, and is a Java-based in-memory data and compute grid. Basically, it's a distributed in-memory cache. It's highly scalable. It does on-the-grid computing. It has real-time eventing. You can do peering on it. It has MapReduce aggregation. It's highly available and also has APIs for .NET, C++, and of course Java. Now, what we're going to see here is the perspective of developers who use the product. We didn't build it. We are using it and liking it a lot. So nothing of what we see here can be considered binding for Oracle in any way, nor should it be primary base for any purchase. So it's just our view, and but it's an honest one. Now, we're going to talk about the concepts and innovations behind Oracle Coherence and how this helps in large distributed applications. We're going to show you how you can use it. We're going to talk about how you can deploy it. And also, if time permits, we're going to talk about Coherence Incubator, which is a set of projects that they are community based, and you can use to either as examples or as starting points for bigger projects. Now, usually data sits in databases. Our application code, the business code, is on other servers. Databases already do a lot of things to help us. They're highly performant, they're optimized, they hold a lot of data in memory as they are. However, from our application's perspective, that data is still over the wire. So the question is, how can we get that data and our code together on the same machine? So Oracle Coherence, data, distributed data cache, and compute grid. Most of the people who saw this slide thought it was overly complicated, and it probably is. But the problem we're trying to solve is also complicated. I hope you had time to see the 2 presentations in the morning. I like them a lot. Francis and Christiana, I think it is. Basically, the conclusion that I took from those presentations are applications are becoming more and more complex. So we're thinking about application ecosystems now. So we have applications running on the phone, watches, and my fridge is going to send messages on my phone or on my watch. They're becoming more and more complex, and they use a lot of data. And they use data from from databases, from mainframes, from various heterogeneous sources. So basically, they come in different formats. At the same time, those applications on the top part are horizontally scaled. So we're not talking about single servers these days. Okay. Given that they use a lot of cycles to do a lot of requesting data, processing data, transforming data, doing stuff with it, and then maybe even sending it back. So they're running on multiple servers, and they're kind of doing the same thing all over again, over and over again. This can lead to latency, so it can be slow. If something happens, I don't know, something changes in the stock market, and you react to it an hour later, it's not good. Okay. Again, this can also place a burden on the systems that provide that data.